Hi, this is a short demo on the Home Assistant HVAC adjustment based on open doors and windows automation. So what you first need to do is import this blueprint to your Home Assistant instance. It's been added to your blueprints, as you can see. Then open up your code editor of choice. I use Studio Code Server. And create a new folder called packages slash HVAC windows in your root config. Inside of this folder, create a new file called HVAC_scripts.yaml. Go back and open this link. Copy everything here. Save the file. Then go to your configuration.yaml and at the top here, add as a note. You may not have this. You may only have Home Assistant. Below it and indented, you need to add this part. So this references the folder packages that we've just created. Save that and check that everything is okay. Then restart your Home Assistant instance. When it's finished, go and check if the scripts have been added to your Home Assistant instance. They're all prefixed with HVACW for window. And the blueprint is here. What you also need to do if you want is to create a helper. I've already done that. A helper for the override. Mine's called Smart Thermostat Example Override. And at the moment, I have this simple setup with a thermostat card, a fake window, which I'm going to close right now, an external temperature input number, and the inside temperature, which is not really important, but you'll see why. And that override I just created earlier. Okay, now go to Settings, Automations, create a new automation based on the blueprint that you've downloaded. Input your thermostat, your external temperature, your window. Set these to something that's easily debuggable. Allow user override. For the override, we'll use this input boolean that we've created. And the scripts which have been imported. So they're all prefixed with HVAC. Turn down. Turn back up. Override. Save this automation. Okay. Now, if we go back to the scripts, you will see that there are some spaces inside of them which you can edit out. What this script does, for example, is to set the thermostat to eco mode, but you can do something else with it. If your thermostat does not have an eco mode, for example, you can set the actual temperature if you want. Going further, this part here is in the notification script. So this part sends the notification. I have these notifications set up, but you can edit it to do whatever you want it to do. And at the bottom, I like to clear the notifications on my phone if the window has been closed again. Okay. All in all, this should be working at the moment. So if we go to the test thermostat here, we can see that it's set to 22 degrees and it's currently 22.4 degrees in the room. It's a PID thermostat, so it's heating, but if the temperature goes up in the room, it'll go back to idle. The window is closed at the moment. And we've set the external temperature to 21. Let's set it something higher, 25, let's say. Okay. And let's pretend that the window is now open. Since it's warmer outside than it is in the room, that it needs to be in the room, nothing happens. But if the outside temperature falls below the set point, the thermostat automatically goes to the eco mode as instructed. If the window is closed, in 5 seconds, like we said it will get back to whatever state it was in before it went to eco mode. Now you can see, you cannot see the notifications because I have not set those up, but if you have a connected phone, then you will see those notifications as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching.